I wanted to make this video to make sure that I was able to resolve a question from one of the videos ahead of time where they had shown an experiment on the electromagnetic flat earth of how salt added to the water added to the effects of the electromagnetism between the sun and how the sun and the moon's electromagnetic fields affected the waters of the oceans. And I was asked the question of the Great Lakes then, if they have a tide, and if so, are they affected? And I've looked into it, and the Great Lakes do have a tide. It's a smaller tide, a 5-inch tide, instead of compared to what the larger tides around the world in the saltwater. But this would be simply explained by the fact that there is still electromagnetic effect on water. It's just with it not being salt water, there's less effect, and hence smaller tides with less effect because of the conductivity of the water. But anyways, I just wanted to get this out there. I'm kind of new at this, but I did want to answer that question right away in case anybody else had a question about that. That I do believe, if this theory is correct, that the reason that the Great Lakes have a tide technically is they're affected by the same electromagnetic pull that the oceans are. And anywhere in the description, like here on the National Ocean Service, I've pulled up on the Great Lakes, lower down below, they show a description here, and any place I believe where it says gravitational forces here, you could just change out the word and put electromagnetic forces, because I believe that's what we're dealing with, especially on a flat earth model. I believe we are working with electromagnetic forces. Thank you and have a wonderful day.